What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best welding machine. These welding machines have high security features that protect materials from damage while saving you from injuries. Besides, these devices will make welding easy and quick for you. There are a lot of products available to choose to welding machine, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding machine products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEKOPRO Welding Machine. This strong welder is capable of welding mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and cast iron. With the advanced IGBT inverter technology, you can enjoy reliable control on this welding machine. Besides, the compact design allows convenient transportation of the device. It maintains the stable output of voltage and strong adaptability with the electricity network. Another prominent feature of this welder is that it prevents copper and iron damage. It also preserves energy and saves you from paying massive electricity bills. This welder features an easy carrying handle, compact design, easy for translation and storage. Very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. Positive side of this product. You can weld a variety of materials like aluminum and steel. The high efficiency fan prevents overheating of the welder. It has a compact and sturdy design. Negative side of this product. It is only suitable for small piece welding. Number 2. Forney Welding Machine. This welder comes with infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, which gives the perfect metal bond. It is ideal to use for beginners. Besides, the mighty 140 amp output will enable you to easily weld mild steel. You can also use it on a rugged metal case. Thanks to its light weight of 19 pounds, you can easily carry this welder. On top of it, its sturdy metal fabrication makes it durable and solid. Accessories like a MIG gun, ground clamp, and 28 to 15A adapter helps you to weld seamlessly. Positive side of this product. It comes with a 12-month warranty period. The LED lights help in proper control of the welder machine. This welder has an extended 6 feet cord that allows convenient welding. Negative side of this product. You cannot weld aluminum with this welder. Number 3. YESWELDER Welding Machine. Whether you are a professional welder or want to construct metal frames at home, this welding machine is suitable for all. It comes with a DC stick function and allows cellulose electrode welding of non-alloy substances. Besides, the easy arc makes the welding smooth and fun. With automatic compensation on voltage fluctuation and current protection, this welder is safe to use. In addition, if it overloads or temperature exceeds the maximum capacity, the device automatically turns off. Another unique feature of this welder is its IGBT soft switch technology. It allows precise welding with 20 to 205 amps. Positive side of this product. This welding machine is lightweight, compact, and highly portable. It is suitable with all generators. Its high ventilation system controls the temperature of the device. Negative side of this product. Some customers do not find it durable. Number 4. VIVOHOME Welding Machine. This welding machine is ideal for light gauge steel, stainless steel, mild steel, and aluminum. With self-release inert gas, this welder prevents oxidation of the metal. Moreover, it has a 4-level adjustable current flow that allows convenient welding on thick and thin surfaces. You can easily carry this welding device due to its lightweight and portable design. Besides, its grippy handle makes the lifting of the welder effortless. It also comes with various accessories to make the welding process a fun activity for you. The VIVOHOME MIG welder features 4x current flow settings, adjust the current and 10-speed variable feed controls for perfectly managed flux cord welding of thin steel, stainless or aluminum sheet metal, or even thicker steel. Positive side of this product. Its current levels can be adjusted according to the surface. This welder is ideal to use on a variety of materials. The inert gas emission prevents oxidation of the welding metal. Negative side of this product. The construction material of the welder is not solid. Number 5. DISPLAY 4-top Welding Machine. Make the welding process easy with this innovative welder. You can weld multiple materials like aluminum, carbon steel, stainless steel, and more. It has a flux cord wire and automatic thermal safety that avert fire tragedies while welding. For maintaining adequate coolness, this welder has a fan system that provides good air ventilation. In addition, it supplies a safe electric current and voltage. You also get extra accessories for a seamless welding process. Moreover, this welder is built from heavy-duty stainless steel and painted for sturdiness and long-lasting usage. Positive side of this product. It is lightweight and compact in size, which makes it easy to transport and store. This welder is made from sturdy stainless steel material, making it durable for years. Its auto-off feature saves you from tragedies. Negative side of this product. Some customers receive damaged accessories. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.